Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Nigerian buns, baked buns without frying. So we are sieving our flour first. The list of ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box. Please do well to check it out. So after sieving your flour, you go ahead and add your sugar. The sugar I added in this recipe is too much. It was so sugary. It's good for people that have sweet tooth, but if you don't want too much sugar, you can reduce it. Also, I added some nutmeg and baking powder and salt. Like I said, the list of ingredients will be in the description box, and I'll also put it on the screen. Then I'll go in with my cold butter, then you squeeze it like I'm doing right here. So if you don't have nutmeg, you can use cinnamon, but I use nutmeg. So if you don't have that, you can use cinnamon. So after crushing the butter like this, make sure you use cold butter. I'm going to break my egg. For this recipe, I'm supposed to use just one egg, but I'm using like 3/4 of it because I'm going to use the remaining part to brush the dough when I'm done, when I'm about to bake it. So I go in with 3/4 of the egg, and my egg is also cold. The reason I'm using cold wet ingredients is so that our dough will come out flaky. So now I added my vanilla flavor. You can use milk flavor if you have that. So you're going to mix it like this. Just use your hand to mix it. Don't forget, you don't have to overmix. If you overmix it, it might turn out to be like pop-off, but we are making buns. So you go ahead and add your evaporated milk. The milk is also cold, so if you don't have evaporated milk, you can use cold water, ice water. So you're adding your milk bit by bit or your water bit by bit. Don't add it at once. I think I use 1/8 cup of cold evaporated milk, 1/8 cup. So 1/4 cup rather. I use 1/4 cup. It will be on the screen and also in the description box. So you just have to add it bit by bit so that your dough is not watery. Since we are not frying our buns, we have to make sure that the dough is not watery. So we have to be able to scoop it with our hands and mold it into the shape we want. Like I said earlier, you don't have to overmix. As a matter of fact, don't overmix. Don't even mix too much. Just make sure you are able to fold it into a single ball dough. It's able to form. That's what you are looking for. So you lightly flour your working surface like this. Just put a little flour and just rub it. Then you just mold the dough on it to form just a single ball shape to put it together. Exactly, this should take just 1 to 2 minutes max. You can see that's what I did there. So after that, you look for a cling film, then wrap it into it, or you can use a bowl that has a tight cover. Then you put it in your fridge for 30 minutes. I put mine in the basket area of my freezer, though the light was not on then, so I put it there for 30 minutes. Now you're going to grease your pan. If you have parchment paper, you can just put it inside, but I don't have, so I use oil to grease my pan. Then go ahead and add the flour to do it the way I'm doing on the screen. So after shaking it like this, you make sure you pour the flour away because it has already done what we want it to do. This is to avoid the sticky of the dough with the pan. So you can see it on the screen. That's what I'm trying to achieve. If you have cake goop, you can use cake goop. The recipe of cake goop is on my channel. You can check it out. So now we are going to preheat our pan. I'm going to preheat it for 10 minutes. You can see that I'm using something to elevate the baking pan. You can use any iron object. Then after that, you now put on your gas stove to medium heat like this. So this is the medium heat we are aiming for. Then you preheat it like this for 10 minutes. So while our pot is preheating, we are going to shape our dough into sizes. So I'm going to cut it into, you don't need to knead it to just roll it the way I'm doing. Then cut it into the number of dough that you want. I think I cut mine into 5. So after cutting it into 5 or any number that you want, you can cut it into 4 if you want it bigger. You can cut it into 8 if you want it smaller. So mine is 5. So you take each. You can use your rolling pin to just flatten it a bit so that it will have the smooth surface. So you can do it like this. Just roll it like this, then use your hand, your fingers, your thumb to do it the way I'm doing on the screen so that you have the perfect shape. So to avoid sticking with the pan also, you can drizzle some flour on the work surface, then roll the dough on it so that it will not stick at all. You see the way I'm going to do it now. So that's how you are going to do it. Do not use too much flour, just the way I'm doing it here. Then when you're done, you place it gently in your already greased and floured baking pan. Then set it aside. You can also use your hand like this. You may not roll it the way I did initially. Just use your hand to flatten it like this, then shape it, then roll it like this. We are done here. So the next thing now is to use the remaining egg to brush our dough. You can see the one I used earlier, that's the remaining egg. You just use your brush, then brush it like this. Now we are going to check our preheating. That you reduce the heat before you open it. Reduce the heat to the lowest. We are done preheating now, so we reduce the heat to the lowest. Then you place the baking pan gently inside the pot, then cover it and allow it to bake for the first 40 minutes. Don't open it. So this is 40 minutes after. So I realized that it is not fully done, but it is almost done. This is 4 minutes. Yours might be different, but this is my own first 40 minutes, and I baked it for another 15 minutes. So this is what we have. That makes it 55 minutes altogether. So it is ready here, and you can see how lovely the color looks. It's golden and it is ready to be eaten. See how lovely it is. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. I forgot to say, I think we are in day 25.